Yes. Here is my warning to Paula Colin Nunez. Paula Colin Nunez, do not support Bongbong Marcos. I know everyone are anti-Marcos. If you listen to Lawrence Villawan, that he is an anti-Marcos. Oh, his grandmother is an anti-Marcos. Oh, when they realize they experienced the time of EDSA People Power 1. But Lawrence Villawan was not yet born. Me, I was not yet born. Oh, you were not yet born too. Just like I said to you, Paula Colin Nunez, everyone hate Marcos. Alright? Everyone hate Marcos. Oh, just like what I'm saying, people there are anti-Marcos. Even I am saying everyone are anti-Marcos. Oh, and Paula Colin Nunez, don't be stubborn. You know, when people there are anti-Marcos, oh, just like I said, for example, Bill Galang is an anti-Marcos, Jens Manaid is an anti-Marcos, even his family members are anti-Marcos. Oh, you remember Carl Bilhus, anti-Marcos, Matthew Timbal, anti-Marcos. Oh, they're all anti-Marcos. I know me and Apollo Sanchez, this is our fault that we voted Bongbong Marcos. And nabudol na kami. That's why, that Bongbong Marcos is really a scammer. Do not praise the scammer, Paula Colin Nunez. Paula Colin Nunez, like I say to you, Bongbong Marcos is a devil. Oh, if you watch the video of Maharlika that she said before, demonyo nga si Sandro Marcos. For what she's saying, binuntis niya si Alexa Miro, nilaglag ang sanggol. Oh, you know that. You know, Paula Colin Nunez, the Marcoses are the true Satan. Oh, remember that. You are a weak leader. I know you are a fake Filipino who you are really a Marcos loyalist, Paula Colin Nunez. You're an ally with Kuya Copio. Just like I said, Lawrence Villawan doesn't like to be a Marcos loyalist. Oh, Lawrence Villawan is also anti-Marcos because I know he listened to Luis Cabales. Oh, he listened. Oh, because I told to Lawrence Villawan when I talked to him in Messenger and video call. Oh, I told him, what about your relatives and your family? Oh, they are anti-Marcos. Oh, kahit sabi ni Lawrence Villawan kung anti-Marcos siya, or like I said, he is really anti-Marcos. But me, I'm anti-Marcos. Oh, I'm not pro Marcos. Oh, because I know I was very angry at Bongbong Marcos for what he did to Rodrigo Duterte, and he was detained in The Hague in Netherlands. I became an anti-Marcos. Oh, just like I said, Paula Colin Nunez, just be remember if you watch Dekada 70s of Piolo Pascual, if you watch the movie in 2003, like I say to you, Paula Colin Nunez, panoorin mo yan, Paula. Even in the Metro Manila Film Festival, Manila Finest, when the defector of the police officer who portrayed by Piolo Pascual, he defected from the Marcoses and he joins to Cory. Oh, he joins with Cory. Oh, like I was told from Mang Rodelio Daguman that Ninoy Aquino is a true hero. Bayani nga si Ninoy. Oh, that's why. And just like I said before, when I was told by by Luis Cabales o Cory Aquino was a close friend with Rodrigo Duterte. With my idol Rodrigo Duterte is close friends with Cory Aquino. Oh, because I seen his picture, Cory Aquino and Tatay Digong, Rodrigo Duterte. Because I know Cory was a president of the Philippines. She is the mother of democracy. You know, Paula Coling Nunez, if you remember the Magkaisa, that was, we performed that from CDIFI in closing program. I was there with Teacher Joyce class, with Ram Dial, Joshua Arroyo, including Alvin Arevalo. Oh, Lawrence Villawan did not participate there in closing program. And even even Stefan Pimentel did not participate because Lawrence cannot join the closing program because he doesn't like. I was joined there in closing program in 2012. During the time of Teacher Joy's class in CDIFI, we do Magkaisa. You know Teacher Joy, Paula Colin Nunez. That was your former teacher because she is an anti-Marcos. Everyone are anti-Marcos. That is my warning to you, Paula. Don't be a Marcos loyalist.